Ikeja electricity distribution company staff, one of their staff, all these electric people, they don't use bottle, break. In fact, the way they take design ajakolokolo head, una no go even believe it. They design and all this thing happen because they say they try disconnect power from community. And according to these people from this community, they complain say they no get light for the past 3 weeks. 3 weeks no light. And now when they supposed to enjoy light, that's what the same person say, oh yeah, go and disconnect this thing. So I beg, I don't bring a call on aside so that when I go see the ajakolo head as it be. So join me, make we watch the video.
But if you be the person where I call you.
No, it's me. But that is gonna tell me.
Oh.
Money.
I don't understand the way Nigerian people they think. Who na think say una be? Hi, God, my body. These people no get light for 3 weeks. No be 3 days, oh. 3 good weeks. 21 days. And now they can't disconnect the light. And I know, okay, as soon as send them now, make this man go disconnect light. Wait till they expect, make they fold their hands, they look una. Now so now go continue to enjoy on ourselves. Because we don't see, we've had enough. In fact, you don't tire us. What you sue me, you don't tire me. Wait till we go die for una before now go open una eye. All the harassment, when uniform people don't they harass us, we they endure. We go outside the street, na problem. Even inside our house, where we suppose get peace of mind, una they can't disconnect light when people no get up to 3 weeks. Never start. You never start, my brother. No, my people, I know so many of them now go they tell me say everything happen to violence. I know they support violence, but no, this thing is abuse. This is abuse. And they see, una no go understand some things until una start they live inside those things. The guy will even break the bottle, Mr. Bottle Breaker. I beg, take it easy. Bros, make una take it easy small now. Una for just do a small. See the big line when I draw, like say, waiting. They don't teach you how to draw for school. Una just draw the thing. Take it easy now. I beg. Now people send a message, you understand? And then go do the thing where they send them. But him too, you overdo. I always they tell now this is me. Even for movies, if I dey watch movies where, you know those movies where they shoot, war. I always they talk and say, if they send me, I'll be part of people where they go war. As they don't start they shoot, I go just like that. Do like say I don't die. Now the same thing I go they do if I dey work for these government people. If you send me go disconnect light, me, you run you. I go just come back. I no go even reach. Sir, they did not allow me to do it all. Or I go just find one excuse. You too, it's good for you. In fact, it sweets you. You no go sit down one place. You dey carry government wahala for your head. Not even for your shoulder. You no even manage put am down here. May you not say, okay, this one. You even carry and put on top your head. How they not go break? How they not go break your head? Go back. Because this thing, my people, they not just break this man head because they want break him. And they should say from the beginning that they tell and say, bros, no do this thing. We no get life for 3 weeks. He want show power. As they tell you this thing, you for just go back and report to your boss. No, just imagine say you die now. Wait till you go come they talk. Say, na light, disconnection of light, and no disconnection of light. Nigerians, una too dey overdo. Una too overdo on top of how much. No, if you check all the see, I don't just understand una. Check countries where people they die for government. Go check. Check countries where people they die for government. Check their salaries. No be just the salary itself. Go check these people who won't die for government after they die. Check how government they even treat their families. You won't come die for government when you know say first of all your salary na chewing gum. If you finally die, your family sef even air to breathe, they go still dey pay for air wey they go use breathe. And now you won't come bring yourself, say you wan kill yourself for this one, you wan kill yourself for that one. No, die na. Die and see whether under 2 days your matter will not forget am. We go forget am. We go, in fact, I'm not even your president. We don't forget the matter. Just say we need to talk about am until 2023. You I don't even know you where you from. You dey come outside say you wan do. Una go still take light. For now we no know. Some African countries now they no dey take light again. Some African countries they exist now where their electricity, in fact their power supply, if they do them like say they dey Oyibo country, they enjoy life, light, money, everything. No, but Nigeria own dey different. I no just understand. And my question now be say, how you fit give wetin you no get? Because I don dey think about this thing. Nigeria alone dey give Benin, Niger, abi Naija, they give Togo light. Nigeria, but Nigeria no dey get light. How you fit give wetin you no get? Now my question. We still dey suffer light. No, una fit testify to this thing now. How many times we dey get light for this country, this Nigeria? My brother, sorry for the head wey they don give you. This one now na new style. That place where they tear, if your head dey grow now, you go get bridge. That side head no go dey. Next time you go learn not to. In fact, you go learn to put yourself in your fellow people's shoe. They don't give you small authority, small work. You don't dey feel like say you dey on top of the world. You think say easy to make money? Person go pay. No, imagine you pay light bill, then you no come get light for 3 weeks. And the time when you suppose even you dey hope say you go enjoy the light, they don't send person make go disconnect am. How you go feel? Please, making money is not easy. So if na me sef, I go do the same thing. You no fit just come dey oppress people anyhow. We have rights. You understand? My people, wetin una think concerning this matter? Who dey right, who dey wrong? Abeg, I need know. And in fact, I need find out from una. The disconnection dey okay. The 3 weeks dey okay. Abi government do anything wey you guys talk concerning this case, drop am for that place. And you know, as usual, I go reply una one by one. If you never subscribe, wetin dey wait for you? Go dey miss the hot things wey we get here for you. Share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen right now. Stay tuned for our next story. Delta local councillor don beat him wife. We just dey raise, in fact, we just dey put beasts as leaders for this country. And person wey I dey talk about, hi, una no go believe am. Im name first of all na Honorable Christopher. Honorable, they add am to im name. And this one now, they just recently give am this position as local government chairman. Recently, 6th of this month, 6th. As I dey talk to una now, e never even reach 2 weeks wey they give am this position. Na so they come call us. Say abeg make una come neighbors come outside, they make noise. I say wetin happen? Na so they come dey give me gist o. Say this man beat woman. If una see how he beat the woman, he beat am so tey the woman go unconscious. E dey bleed. Omo, the beating no be here. They manage carry this woman go hospital. This man go back to that hospital, remove the woman. We don't know where the man go carry the woman. We don't know where this man don't carry this woman now, so they talk to her. So now they don't call me, say, Madam Aproko, push this thing because we need justice. Now I say I go bring her outside. So I bet for now we don't know who be Honorable Christopher and his wife where they don't bleed. The woman say come they look like animal. I bet join me, make we watch the video. Abi when they see all these animals they marry, I know they understand though. Abi una go meet 1 week because he get money, una go just jump inside marriage. Una no go know the person very well. Although I know say sometimes they take 20 years before person go do something, but at least some signs you suppose don't see some signs. Maybe how the person they take get angry, how the person know they react or something. I know just see how human being beat person. I know just no. I dey try breathe. I dey try this one. I reach to breathe. Person wey you love. Some of them say when they call each other my best friend, my best friend. Your best friend I beat you like this. Then I beg I no want get best friend. I like to be best friendless for this life where I come. And as for this woman, now you dey shout. Hey, I want justice, I want justice, I want justice. No be only justice, you go soon want a maker. This justice now where you define, I hope say tomorrow you know go come outside, they tell us say, hey, we should mind our business. The thunder will go strike that your bleeding body. Because I dey vex. We go help them now pursue this matter, make justice come. They go even, sometimes they go sentence the man for prison. Sometimes this one. Just give them 2 weeks. Not be so the last one come. I have settled with my husband. I have settled with my husband. You people should leave us alone. Try am. I go carry all your generation. I go join them with thunder. Throw them on top of your head. Now we dey bring you justice. Not be justice you dey find. We be good people. And as for Chairman Christopher, they just two. In fact, you never even reach 2 weeks now. From 6th of March, you never reach 2 weeks. They appoint you inside that place. You never even famous reach Davido or Wizkid. You don't make person bleed. Maybe say if you come famous, you will remove the woman head, go use them for sacrifice. Funny enough, men like this, they know. No, check am. Make him and his fellow man get issue now. He go run, he go jackpot, he go disappear. You know go get strength to fight. You know if you face your fellow man, but now woman now, you don't come they show your morale. See your face when squeeze like orange. Your best friend, your this one. I bet women, una follow join inside this matter. You understand? I bet make una help us. Save us from these heartbreaking domestic violence stories. Save us. Train your children well. Train your sons well. Una go dey train beast. Are they very, very serious? Because it is how you train your child, and that's how he will grow with it. If your husband they beat you in front of your child, no, what do you expect that child go do? He go carry the same habits. He go carry am. So I beg, do something. We still have at least, I don't say it don't spread, but at least we feel prevent the next generation from coming with this attitude. Train them where a man is not supposed to raise his hand on a woman, no matter what. By now, we're not supposed to know women. We, our mouth, once a man say A, we don't reach Z safe. In fact, if another letter day after Z, we don't pass am. We're not supposed to know us by now. And we're not supposed to take us like that. We, our power in our mouth. Our power in our mouth. Once we don't talk, no, not to shout, we go shout, finish. Now, why did they talk say, man, if you know say, you know sabi apologize, even when you know they wrong, and you know they patient, I bet no marry. No marry. Because your woman go offend you, now you go even say sorry. Even when you offend the woman, you go still say sorry. See, if that sorry no dey your man, if you know they used to that, I'm sorry, baby, no marry. Because we are like that. Even God will create us. Not be waiting they talk. They say even God will create women. God never understand us. God will bring us so. He never understand us. Now you won't understand me. Who are you? Who you be? Be you who? I beg. Because I bring this matter because we need, in fact, where he head day, Christopher, we they look for this man. I even hear saying a drunkard, if they drink, this man they wobble like say tomorrow no day. I know go they beat you, and you too, you go still sit inside that relationship. Wetin concern me? I don't talk am before. I know they put my mouth for marriage matter. You understand? But I'm too good. My heart is too soft. I go just talk something now before you know I don't bring her out again. How for do, my people? We go help each other. You understand? So I beg, help me share this video, because this man, whether not to remove her from that position, I be not to put her inside prison, because nobody there above law. Now waiting with the target now. So I beg share this video so that everybody go know say we dey look for her, and Nigeria government go put her where it belong. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, how you want to get gist like this? No make I dance with you. Sorry, I did play. You understand? Una sef no dey do like that. Subscribe na. Every day I go dey bring una better things. They make una dey laugh. Una no go just click on that thing. Just click. I be your person na. I don't understand. And still drop that comment for that comment section. I go reply una one by one as usual. Stay tuned for our next story.